Introducing the HP LaserJet E400 series. Fierce without footprint. Seamless management to lighten your load. Investment protection with HP Future Smart. Consistent, intuitive user interface. HP WebJet Admin for remote fleet management. Strong security to make hackers feel small. HP's most secure printing. Big productivity, small size. Directly scan to and print from the cloud. HP and third-party solutions. HP card reader support for user authentication. Optional wireless Bluetooth low energy NFC accessory. HP Roam for business print to the cloud. HP Roam for business pull from the cloud. Simple, secure on-the-go printing. Lighten your footprint. Default two-sided printing, 21% less energy. HP EcoSmart Black Toner. Fierce without footprint. Small and mighty, enterprise ready, the HP LaserJet E400 series.